In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the revision history of a Jotform. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Jotform or an experienced user looking to uncover the past changes made to your forms, this guide will help you navigate the tools available to track and manage revisions. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you reach the website, you'll find a login button prominently displayed at the top right of the home page. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. For those of you who are new to Jotform, you'll need to sign up for an account. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get set up, and you'll be ready to go in no time. After logging in, it's time to access the form whose revision history you want to explore. Navigate to your Jotform account dashboard, where you'll see a list of your forms. Find and open the specific form you're interested in. Now, there are a couple of ways to access the revision history of your chosen form. If you're in the Form Builder page, keep an eye out for a green circular arrow icon located at the top. Clicking this icon will take you directly to the revision history. Alternatively, if you're on the My Forms page, look for the form in question. Click on the More drop-down menu, and you'll see an option labeled Revision History. Once you've accessed the revision history, a new window will open displaying a list of previous form versions on the left side. These versions are neatly organized by timestamps, allowing you to easily track when specific changes were made. This feature is especially useful if you're collaborating with a team and need to identify who made what changes and when. To dig deeper into any particular version, simply click on it. This action brings up a preview of the form as it appeared at that point in time and shows a detailed list of changes that were made. Reviewing these changes can provide valuable insights, especially if you're troubleshooting or trying to understand the evolution of your form's design and functionality. Now, let's say you've spotted an earlier version that you prefer over the current one. Jotform makes it easy to restore past versions. Located right next to each version is a Revert button. Clicking this button will prompt the system to restore your form to the selected previous state. Keep in mind, reverting to an older version will overwrite the current form setup, so be sure that's what you want to do before proceeding. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to view and manage the revision history of a Jotform. Understanding this feature can significantly enhance your form management skills, making it easier to collaborate and ensure the integrity of your form data over time.